the Southwest Coastal Path, 630 miles of trail. I'd been walking this trail all of my life, even if I didn't know it.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
From a young age, I've been visiting the southwest with my family, summer after summer in Devon and Cornwall. In those years, I got my first taste of coastal life. The first sunsets that I really took notice of were from the Barrow Downs, high above Newquay's beaches. I remember sitting on those cliff tops and staring out at the endless horizon, in wonder of what lay beyond it. Dreaming. I'd watch the evening surfers catching those final blue-hour waves of the day, and I'd romanticize about their lives by the sea. Surf and sand by day, beach bars, rum, cider, and late nights. And I guess one day I hoped it would be me. But then, at some point, adult life took hold. Life had other plans, directions that we all take. But then I met a girl, a Devonshire girl in fact, and here in my 30s I suddenly had reason to regularly visit the southwest again. And just like that, my love of the coast returned as memories came flooding back. But now as an adult, I've discovered a newfound appreciation for the coast. Of course, as a photographer and a creator, I love the dramatic cliffs, crashing waves, rock formations, and hidden coves dotted along the SWCP. But I've come to realise that being by the sea and walking this trail is a stimulant for all the senses. The relaxing sounds of the waves, the distant call of seabirds, the smells of the sea air and the harbours and the beaches, feeling the wind against your skin, the spray from the waves as they crash on the rocks, and the glorious sandy beaches, cerulean blue waters, pirate islands, and breathtaking sunsets. And having a knockout gal by my side to enjoy it all with me. And help shoot my videos, of course. So I'd like to welcome you to a new playlist here on my channel, where I'll occasionally swap the mountains and the countryside for the Southwest Coastal Path. In the world of work, one can't just quit their job and set off on a 3 or 4 month hike. My way around this is to cherry pick my favourite sections of the SWCP and give you bite-sized tastes of my experiences along this trail. And what better place to begin than right here in the English Riviera. Keep your eyes peeled for the first instalment, coming soon to the channel. Be sure to subscribe in advance and hit the notification bell to be informed when the videos go live. I honestly can't wait to share some of these experiences with all of you, but until then, explore safely, and I'll see you out there.